In this video, I will be showing you how to make multiple bingo cards in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking on the search bar and typing in bingo card to browse through the available templates. There are plenty of great designs here, but I'll select this minimalist bridal shower template and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once it loads, I can duplicate the page to create more or simply add a blank page for a fresh start. Now, I'll head over to the Apps tab on the left sidebar and search for Bingo Card. I'll choose the Bingo Card Maker app and click Open to see the customization options. I'll change the card title to Food and select a grid size, like 5 by 5. I can also pick a different color theme and even customize the free space text. Let's change this one to Spaghetti. After choosing how many cards I need, I'll click Generate. Once they appear, I can click on each card to add it to my canvas and resize it so it fits the page perfectly. If I want to try a different style, I can search for another app called Bingo Cards. This one is excellent for themed word lists. I'll select the countries category, adjust the grid size to 5 by 5, and set the number of cards I want to create. After choosing a font, I'll click Create Bingo Cards. Now I have a variety of unique, country-themed cards that I can add to my project, resizing and arranging them just like before. I'll continue adding the generated cards to new pages until my set is complete. And that is how you quickly create multiple, customized bingo cards for any event using Canva.